Hello everyone, welcome to Mech Intellects. In the previous video, we have discussed about the ideal gas equation for different thermodynamic processes, right? And now we are ready for calculating the efficiencies of all gas power cycles. These gas power cycles are also known as air standard cycles. I tell you why these gas power cycles are known as air standard cycles also. Okay, why? Because we will make some assumptions in order to calculate the efficiency of gas power cycles. We will look at one by one what are the assumptions we will take. Okay, the first assumption we will take is the working fluid is air. The working fluid is air, and air is treated as ideal gas. Okay, and the next assumption is specific heat constants, that is Cp and Cv, specific heat constant at constant pressure, specific heat constant at constant volume. These are remains constant. Generally, these are the functions of temperatures. Okay, they change with temperature, but in calculating efficiency of gas power cycles, we assume Cp and Cv remains constant. Okay, next is working fluid has a fixed mass. Okay, that means the air is having a fixed mass in our calculations. Okay, and the next one is all processes are reversible. Okay, and in these cycles whatever the processes are there which we assume as reversible processes. Okay, now we will discuss about Otto cycle. Okay, Otto cycle generally used in internal combustion engines, particularly spark ignition engine. Okay, in this Otto cycle we have four different processes. The process 1, which is a compression process, this is theoretical cycle. Okay, this is not an actual cycle. In actual cycle there will be starting with suction process where inlet valve opens and air fuel mixture will comes into cylinder, but here we made some assumptions, right? We made an first assumption as working fluid will be only air. Okay, and theoretically we assume that air is already in the cylinder. Okay, that is why we start with the compression process first. Okay, so in process 1, compression process, piston moves from BDC to TDC, where all the gas within the cylinder will compresses, and then when the piston is at TDC position only, heat will be added into the cylinder. This is known as a heat addition process. Okay, see, heat is adding at constant volume only. Okay, and next process 3 to 4 is, that means after adding the heat into the cylinder, piston moves from TDC to BDC. This is a expansion stroke. expansion process. That means piston moves from TDC to BDC, and then when the piston is at BDC only, the combustible gases or heat will be rejected out of the system, and this is heat rejection process. Okay. Okay, the same four processes will be look into PV and TS diagram. Okay, see here the process 1 to 2, that is compression. So from 1 to 2, process A. Process A is a compression process, and process 2 to 3 is a heat addition process where heat is added into the system. Okay, QA. And then process 3 to 4 is a expansion process, process C. And then process 4 to 1 is a heat rejection process. That is, from 4 to 1 heat will be rejected, that I will represent as QR. And here 1 to 2 is a reversible adiabatic the compression process. Okay, that means work will be transferred to the system in order to compression. And process 3 to 4 is reversible adiabatic expansion. In expansion process, work will be developed. This will be represented with a WC, work done required to compress the gas, and 3 to 4 work will be developed, that is expanded work. The same thing will be represented in TS diagram also, where process 1 to 2 is reversible adiabatic compression. In reversible adiabatic means it is an isentropic process, so it comes vertically from 1 to 2. And then constant volume heat addition process. So constant volume process will be like a curve like this will be constant volume. Okay, this is also constant volume. And process 3 to 4 is reversible adiabatic expansion. Okay, so reversible adiabatic means it is again isentropic process. From 4 to 1 it is heat rejection process, it is constant volume, so where heat will be rejected, and from process 2 to 3 heat will be added into the system, that is QA. Okay.